welcome back to the Lost Digit. Today we're going to remove the stock exhaust and install the active Autowerke Gen 3 signature exhaust. Now this is the most period accurate exhaust, they say, so first thing we had to do was remove the old heavy exhaust, and before I did anything else I wanted to see what it sounded like. So with no muffler, it was incredibly loud, shook the entire car. In that time, I opened the active Autowerke exhaust, and as you can see, its manufacturing design, everything is just really nice. I had a mount kit, and I'm not gonna lie, getting the fitment right was quite difficult. It did take some time, but using a lift and I was a lot of pressure in different areas, I was able to finally mount it correctly. So I think it looks pretty good, and it was time to test it. So I hope you enjoy the rest of this video. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. I'll see you in the next one.